Girls?
Hi. Hi.
Where are we?
Somewhere in the hills. The mountains.
Greenwater.
Greenwater.
Christmas tree. Today is December 11th, 2004.
Almost 2005.
I don't want to aim this at the sun, but I don't know if you can see Mount Rainier there or not. We're on the back side of it. Got our fire going. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Daddy. Want my TGI? Want my cramp in stomach?
Mom, we eat hard snow.
Nobody will forget that day.
You guys find any yellow snow?
Sure, whatever.
How about brown snow with bubbles in it?
Opie.
Cool.
Master Universe.
Get the sled! Get the sled!
No, no.
Opie!
Get this.
Hey, Opie, do you get out of your car with it still in drive? No, don't. Turn around, bring it back up.
Stop. Feel like going potty?
My snow's, or my snow would be green.
You have to leave it.
Green lime.
Okay.
What
It's
is
not
that?
be very big, William.
It's like a volcano.
Okay, you gotta kind of make it rounded.
What do you say?
It's like a volcano. Too bad I'm not seeing it. Oh, come
Sun's
on.
almost gone.
Okay,
Well, that sucks.
this is Jeanette. Jeanette's from Texas. This is Jeanette's snowman. You can tell Jeanette's from Texas.
She sucks.
What are you laughing at?
Oogie, oogie, ah! Yes!
He's a little deformed, but...
Attack of the flying gun.
So what do you think of that? I want your honest opinion. I want to interview you for a news program. William just got chastised because he wants to be on the camera all the time.
Today, we're in a cold mountain and it's freaking cold.
Jeanette's snowman.
So he's 18. He has a girlfriend, and I can show him all these videos. Right on. All right. Look, we got a little ball down here. Now we need another ball.
Okay. We got,
No, we want to leave this empty down here.
now we got
Keep adding to the side.
We got to make a medium bowl.
Jordan. William.
Okay, Jordan.
Jeanette.
At the top. You break my...
Ball.
That's what she said.
No, it's a Texas snowman.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying.
You ever had snow in Texas?
Actually, yes. In 1985, 13 inches. The
Wow.
most we've ever gotten.
But it didn't last very long.
It lasted for about a week.
What are you doing?
Come on, Chris, good job.
Oh, we're gonna cook hot dogs.
Yeah.
What do you think, Nettie? You hungry?
I'd love to eat, but I'm scared.
Just eat and let it out.
Yeah, well, we're in the mountains.
Jeanette has a gastrointestinal problem today.
You know, that's like the third time you've got me on video where I have a gastrointestinal problem.
I know. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna combine all the ones. I got the one where you're digging the hole at the ocean with the shovel, and you're walking funny.
When I have insurance, I don't know insurance.
You are one of the weirdest men I've ever met.
Hi. You got to get the cooking of the dogs.
More?
It's a work of art. Look how they rotate.
You want Millie?
Yes.
Millie got home. We'll see Millie when we get home.
What's the matter, Jordan?
He wants Millie.
He wants Millie. Millie's a piss and poop and wiener dog. This is heavy.
Why?
Wait.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna put some secret sauce on the hot dogs. You ready?
You warm it up?
What was that? Getting that look.
The burger?
You are one weird person.
And you love it.
I guess so.
Jordan, your hands cold?
You know what's funny? I remember that card your mom sent you last year.
with the little baby. All the things that you do.
I remember that one.
And then we got the chef over here, right, Chris?
Oh, that wasn't a stroke of a...
Carissa works hard for alcohol. Oh, I brought it. What are you doing up there?
Be careful. Say that again.
Rotisserie.
Rubber baby bubby bumpers.
How about I'm a good rotisserie man? Check them out.
Oh, I'm sorry. Check out the hot
Look how they
dog.
rotate.
Wow, look at that. Okay, now onto
Like
the
being a
beautiful
7-Eleven.
mountain. There's mountain there. See it?
What?
There's, here, put these on them.
Put your hand.
Probably ready
They're
for some
really
buns
warm,
over
so-
here, woman.
Are your hands warming up?
Hi, baby.
How much mustard do you want?
Just a thin line.
You want a hot dog?
No, I'm fine.
How come you don't?
Mom! Mom! Get this! Why?
Our hot dogs are bigger.
I'm okay. It can explode.
Be careful, Carrie's over here. Jordan.